Okay, so start our yarn, and then we'll start with chaining 4. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, until you have 4 chains. And we're going to go back to the first chain, and slip stitch our ring together. Okay. And we'll do a single crochet into our ring. So into the ring, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. Then we'll do a half double crochet, yarn over, on the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 3. Double crochet, yarn over, go through the loop, ring, and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Treble crochet, yarn over twice, go in the ring, yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we'll do 3 chains. And another treble in the loop, and I'm crocheting that tail through so I don't have to weave it in later. Sorry, treble. So we'll do yarn over twice, go in the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Double crochet, yarn over, go in the ring, pull a loop through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Half double crochet, yarn over, go in the loop, ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. Single crochet, go in the loop, yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over, pull through both loops. Another half double crochet, we'll yarn over, go in the ring, pull up a loop, go through all three, double crochet, yarn over, go in the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Treble crochet, yarn over twice, go in the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. All right. We'll chain 3 and do another treble. Yarn over twice. Go in the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over and pull through two. A double crochet, that was a yarn over, go in the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Next is a half double crochet, yarn over, go in the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all three, and then we will slip stitch into our first single crochet. So treble, double, half double, and then our single crochet. I put an extra chain in there just because I think it makes it look better. We slip stitched into that single crochet. So into the single crochet, yarn over, pull through, and pull that loop through the last one on your hook. So this is what you have. Okay. That is your center. Mine's a little tighter. So that's your center. That's round one. We'll go on to round two. So we'll start with chaining 5, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through until you have 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will double crochet into that same stitch right in there. Okay, so chain 5 and double crochet. That's where we're at. All in the same where we slip stitched, that same stitch. We're going to double crochet into the next 3 stitches. So yarn over, go in the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and do that 2 more times in the next 2 stitches. Like once in each stitch, 3 stitches total. Okay. Step 1 and step 2. Well, do 3 double crochets into this chain space here. So 1, yarn over, go in the chain space, pull a loop up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, on the chain space and pull a loop up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we'll do 4 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 more double crochets in the chain space. Alright, we're going to do 3 half double crochets in the next 3 stitches. So 1 in the next, each of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 1 more. Yarn over, go on the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. The next one, we're going to do 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. And 3 double crochets, 1 in the next 3 stitches. Oops. Okay. This is where we're at. We're going to do 3 more double crochets in the chain space. Chain 4, and then 3 more double crochets in that chain space. Then we will double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Okay. All right. Now we're going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain of these 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, and we will have 2 left. So we'll have 2 chains on each side of where your hook is in, and we'll pull a loop through that and pull it through the last loop on the hook. So that's the end of round 2. And to compare, mine's probably still a little tight, but it lines up with where we're at here. So that's where we are. Okay, so now we're going to make the last round. And we'll start by chaining 3. Then in the chain 2 space, we will do 1 double crochet, chain 3, and 1 more double crochet in that chain space. We'll do 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So now we have 3. we'll chain 1, skip the next stitch, and double crochet into the second stitch. And we'll do 2 more. 1 in the next 2 stitches, 1 double crochet. Okay, so we have our corner, 3 stitches, 1 chain, and 3 more stitches. We'll do 1 chain. We're going to skip this next double crochet and go with a double crochet into the chain space. Okay, 3 stitches, 1 chain space, 3 stitches, 1 chain space, and now we are at the next corner, and we're going to have a total of 3 double crochets in that little chain space ring. Okay. We'll chain 5. And put 3 more double crochets in in that chain space. The same chain space. All right, we've completed our second corner. We're gonna chain 1, skip this next stitch, and go into the second stitch. I'm sorry, with a double crochet. And do 2 more. So that should be right. All right. So we'll have 3, and then we'll chain 1, skip this next stitch, and do 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And we'll do 1 double crochet in the chain space here. Chain 3. And 1 more double crochet in that chain space. do 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And chain 1. Then skip the next stitch, go into the second stitch, and do 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, or 2 I should say, 3 stitches total. Like that. Then we'll do 1 chain, skip the next stitch, and 3 double crochets into the next chain space. We're working on our 3rd corner, actually our last corner, our final corner. Once you have 3 double crochets in the chain space, we'll chain 5, and do 3 more double crochets in the chain space. First stitch, go into the second stitch with a double crochet. And do 2 more. One in the next 2 stitches. So it'll look like this. Now we'll chain 1, skip the next stitch, do 1 double crochet into the second stitch from where we're at, and then slip stitch to the top of this chain 3 here. So 1, 2, 3. Go in there and slip stitch. And then that is the end of our diamond here. My crocheting still really tight compared to our example, but it lines up. Here, hold on.
That's the finished product. Alright. I hope this helps.